Mike Murphy, I believe you have three stocks which you say are going to go up even more from where they are now.
I do. Well, I'll start with the bank stocks. Citigroup is on that list. And I think the big thing when you look at the bank, Stuart, is the regulation. You know, they've been held down by regulation, over-regulated for so long, I'd argue, that we don't necessarily need to repeal Dodd-Frank. But what we need to do is cut back on some of the capital commitments that banks are forced to hold. Okay. That's going to unlock a lot of earnings for the banks. I think Citigroup and their trading operation and their global presence in investment banking will be able to benefit from that.
How about, you like Facebook?
Love Facebook, first trillion-dollar company we've discussed. I still believe it will get there.
They'd have to double for that.
It would have to more than double. Yeah, between there, 2.5 times from here. But I think Facebook is set up. It's where people are going. It's where advertisers are going to attract people. You have millennials on there. You have seniors on there. Facebook is the platform, the new platform where people can make money.
Last one, General Electric.
General Electric is more of a longer-term, boring infrastructure, global growth U.S. Trump policy play. So I think you can buy GE and see the growth globally.
Citi, Facebook, GE, you own them?
I own Facebook.
You own Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Proudly so.
Yes.
All right, okay. Now